So what's up everyone, this is a video of the new cage we've gotten. So the earlier cage, as some of you may have been saying, was pretty small and cramped for these birds. I did feel that. Although we do take these birds out, we do need to get a bigger cage. So Rio's pretty happy and he was wagging his tail, I mean literally. This is Rio on top of this cage. Hope it is pretty big and you can notice the changes. That's cute, Momo. So she's just looking up. What's up there? Never mind. So this is Rio again. I guess on top of the cage. This cage is pretty big. According to me. And Momo's getting a cute little scratch. I hope you like this cage. And, yeah. Hope you like this video. Of course, if you like it, please give this a like and subscribe. Why not subscribe? Because I want more subscribers. Okay, I'm not here for subscribers. I do not want to mess around, and I'm not going to say any of those spider stuff, but please consider subscribing. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Never mind.